Hello, Fly Babies. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and we have our regular 3 things to do, our 3-layer cake, our routines, our basic weekly plan, which is errand day, and our zone, which is kitchen. So those 3 things. So first thing we're going to do is get up before the family and do our personal morning routine. Once that's done, which includes swishing and swiping the bathroom, making the bed, if at all possible, if someone's not in it, and emptying the dishwasher, making yourself a little breakfast, and having yourself totally dressed, all right? Then once that's done, you can go and take care of the rest of the family. So you're going to wake up the kids or get the husband up or, take care of the animals. Then once that's done, if you work, you're going to go on to work. If you don't work, you're going to start a load of laundry and go through 1 inch of paper. Now, if you work, you're going to go to your desk and open up your control journal. If you don't have one, please go to my playlist that says control journals, and there's one outlined there for you. So you can make yourself a control journal. It makes a lot of difference in how easily your work goes. All right, so when you get to your lunch and breaks, you're going to think about errand day, which is today. So errand day means groceries. And if you can't go buy groceries after work, or you don't have enough time, or you don't have enough energy, or you don't want to spend a whole hour on Saturday doing it, then either delegate the groceries or order them online to have them delivered or picked up. That's my suggestion. The next thing is, what other errands do you need to run? Can you do those on your lunch hour? Maybe you need to go exchange a pair of their children's shoes, or, we always have these little things. I've done it many, many times. I needed a new bra, go buy it on my lunch hour, right? All right, so that's what you do. Next is think about that basic weekly plan, that weekly home blessing hour. How's that going? Is it complete? Do you need to delegate some parts of it? Are you waiting for Saturday? Are you able to do 10 minutes or so at night? How's that working for you? And then the last thing is the zone, the kitchen. So the kitchen routine can take place while you're in the kitchen, while your supper is on the stove simmering or cooking or holding or whatever. 10 to 15 minutes in your kitchen. If you're going to work for 15 whole minutes in your kitchen, you really only have to do it 4 days a week. You don't have to do it one of the days. But if you do it like 8 or 10 minutes, you might want to do it every day, just because you don't have a lot of time to do that. Otherwise, you'll have to wait also for Saturday to do that. And I just hate to keep taking chunks of time away from you when you can be gifting yourself with these little increments that take that away from Saturday, and you can have your Saturday whole. All right, then the last thing we're going to do is after dinner. Okay, so let me talk to the at-home fly babies for just a minute. So at-home fly babies, morning routine, done. Laundry, going. Listen for it, fold it, put it away when it's ready. Paper routine, done. Now we're going to work on going to get your groceries. So get in the car with your list, know your budget. If you need to take cash only, do it, and make a plan to spend a penny less than you actually have. And that'll be such a blessing to you. All right, any other errands that you need to run, make sure you get those done today. What's in the trunk? Do you have some stuff to drop off at the Goodwill or the charity shop or the DI or whatever? Let's get that out. And then the last thing is, when you come home, you're going to put all your groceries away, maybe prep some of the vegetables and make it easy for yourself. Hopefully you've put something in the crock pot so you don't have to worry about dinner tonight, and make it an easy night because you've been running around today. Now we're all coming together. We've all eaten dinner. Now we're all together to do the after dinner routine as a family, and then after that, the before bed routine. These are simple processes. You can do this. You're the CEO, and I believe in you. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.